day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service, please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. Let's get underway with today's video. Now, we've had a very interesting price movement during the trading session today, and that is, at this moment in time, it seems to be a shooting star. Now, it is still very early in the trading session. I do recognize that, but if the candlestick was to form any lower or around this area, that to me looks like a massive head fake. We briefly pierced above the 200-day EMA. Don't forget, guys, I've been waiting for the daily close above the 200-day EMA. And this, to me, does look like a head fake. We've had the PPI reading out today. Again, very encouraging inflation data here for the stock market, and that's what caused us to rally up 1%. But in the past hour or so, we've completely paired those gains. So this is very interesting. You know, I've been looking for fundamental reasons to short this market, and there's plenty of them out there. But the technicals is what's really driven this market towards the upside as of recent, and of course with the help of Jerome Powell. But in the recent weeks, we've had Fed members come out and say that investors have got it wrong. They've completely misunderstood Jerome Powell's previous press conference. So since then, it's been technical movements. We've targeted the 200-day EMA, but this again is looking like a very bearish technical movement here for the Nasdaq100. So if I was an investor here, I would open a little tight short position here, put the stop loss just above the swing highs of today's trading session, and you could probably go and target the bottom of this candlestick. I think this looks really bearish at this moment in time. So, at this moment in time, we haven't yet broken out of the downtrend. I know we're very close. If this was a football match, I think that the Bulls here are winning 2-0, and there's only 5 minutes to go. That's how I kind of see it, but there's still potential for this just to be yet again another bear market rally, and for the Nasdaq100 to decline back down towards the 50-day EMA, to break below it and eventually go and test 11,000, because the fundamentals are still very bad, and ultimately it's the fundamentals that drive the market. So I'm still bearish here for the Nasdaq100. We haven't had that breakout yet. If we were to break and get a daily close above above today's swing high, then I have to take my human emotion, admit that I completely got this wrong, and I then become a buyer. But until then, I'm still bearish. We're still trading below the 200-day EMA, and as the old saying goes, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. And let's just have a nice little zoom out here for the Nasdaq100, and we're still right pressing up against the top side of this downtrend that we've been in since the beginning of the year.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.